Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the small ya, you, yo letters and their usage in Hiragana writing system. In an introduction video, we learn what Hiragana writing system is, and then we learn the most of the letters in Hiragana alphabet in our last videos. I have put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you still haven't watched them, you can take a few minutes to watch them. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Gambarimashou. We use small ya, you, yo letters to make other sounds in Hiragana writing system. 36 letters can be made in this part. We are learning these 36 letters and some words we can write using them. We write small ya, you, yo letters on the right side of the letters to make a new letter. For an example, I have written small ya letter on the right side of the key letter to make a new letter, kya. In the same way, I have written the letter Q. First, let's learn how to read these letters. Kya, Q, Kyo, Sha, Shu, Sho, Cha, Ju, Jo, Nya, Nyu, Nyo, Hya, Hyu, Hyo, Mya, Myu, Myo, Dea, Ryu, Ryo, Gya, Gyu, Gyo, Ja, Ju, Jo, Ja, Ju, Jo, Bya, Byu, Byo, Pya, Pyu, Pyo. Let's read them again together. Kya, Q, Kyo, Sha, Shu, Sho, Cha, Ju, Jo, Nya, Nyu, Nyo, Hya, Hyu, Hyo, Mya, Myu, Myo, Rya, Ryu, Ryo, Gya, Gyu, Gyo, Ja, Ju, Jo, Ja, Ju, Jo, Bya, Byu, Byo, Pya, Pyu, Pyo. Now let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Benkyou, lesson. Okyaku-san, customer. Kyuni, suddenly. Shashin, photograph. Shumi, hobby. Shorai, future. Chanto, properly. Jui suru, be careful. Sacho, boss. Gyunyu, milk. Hyogen, representation. Ryugaku suru, study abroad. Ryoko suru, travel. Gyomu, business. Ja, well. Jugyo, lesson. Jokyo, situation. Sanbyaku, 300. Byoin, hospital. Benkyou suru, study. Let's read them again together without romaji. Benkyou, Okyaku-san, Kyuni, Shashin, Shumi, Shorai, Chanto, Jui suru, Shacho, Gyunyu, Hyogen, Ryugaku suru, Ryoko suru, Gyomu, Ja, Jugyo, Jokyo, Sanbyaku, Byoin, Benkyou suru. I have not added words from some letters because we have not learned how to write double consonants in Japanese. When we learn double consonants in Japanese language, let's increase our vocabulary. But for now, let's only learn these letters. We learned the next 36 letters of the Hiragana alphabet today. And we learned 20 words we can write using the letters we have learned. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。 sabsugurai gushite rai kushite kudasai ne.